Okay, let's start with the Air 65.
I want a clean power loop. I've set the camera up. It flies a little bit sideways. I'm not sure whether I've got a bit of sand somewhere. Oh, come on. Okay, change of plan. We have the Meteor 65 now. No, Meteor 75 with the DJI 04. Which is going to take a little bit more oomph to get a clean power loop without hitting the sand. But my analog goggles just ran out of battery. So let's see how we go. So what? I'll take that. Let's enjoy the 04. Like a cliff dive. Closest you get to a cliff in Perth. Battery pull, battery. I'll take that. That was not bad. Just gives you a little bit more time this as well, though, where the Air 65 is great, but it's a little bit like fidgety. Where with this, because of the weight, you just fly a little bit slower. So probably better for beginners. Okay, battery pull. Should do one last through. Bring it back. Okay, there's only one thing for it. I've got to grab the NEO now. We're good to go. Oh, 16 satellites. That's unusual for my NEO. Okay, let's just see. There we go. Straight away, we got through. So, reminiscing of that first attempt. I'll see if I can find some footage. I think I'm sure I made a YouTube video of it. And we'll see how things have changed. But whether I can get a power loop with the NEO will be a different thing. Is it possible? You know what? That's pretty good. And again, what's that, a double? There we go. Shows you how things have changed. Wow, I wasn't surprised. I wasn't expecting that. That is awesome. Okay, let's come and land and I'll move the camera, see if we can do that again. Check it wasn't a 2 off. Alright, let's try again. We're going to get a hat trick 3 in a row. Yes, we are. Wow, I'm amazed. Really amazed, that's awesome. Oh, nearly hit the post. Just made that, just. Okay, I need to bring it back. I'm gonna have to say it, the Neo probably flew the best there. Now the 65 was really cool, it was fun, but just too flippy floppy crazy, and I think I got some sand in the motors and it didn't fly that well. The 75 with the 04 was good as well. It slowed everything down, and it's probably like a good introduction then, like slowed me down after the 65 to the 75 to the Neo, because the Neo just needs that extra little bit of time so you don't do any sharp turns and stuff, so you don't get that prop wash or gimbal issues and stuff like that. But we didn't crash this once, we come close, but we didn't crash it, and we got like 3, maybe 4 power loops, which compared to where I was when I first started, just shows you put the time, put the effort in, get on that sim, fly all the time. Whoops, Neo, Avata, all the real FPV drones, just try all of them, play with them. Some will be harder to fly, but it definitely carries over and just gives you more room for error, so you can just pick up any type of drone and feel your way through it and just fly it. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Let me know if you have any advice. Got the Pavo coming soon, so that'll be interesting. Speak to you in the next one.